Perfume is not a fragrance, it's how you layer it. Hi guys, this is Yasser from Alexand. So we have a new release from Laverne Riyadh. They had a previous great fragrance which was Champion. What was Champion like? It came in 2024. It was a great fresh blue scent. It was a popular fragrance back then. Kind of like Bleu de Chanel mixed with a blend with, I would rather say, blend with blended with YSL Y. That has a flanker now. It came in 2026. It's new. This is called Champion Turquoise. I haven't opened the packaging yet, but yes, they always send you the tester. This is the beauty of Laverne. They have this thing going on that whichever perfume you buy from them, they'll send you a tester. You need to test it before you open the box. If you don't like it, you can return them back. It comes with a pretty nice gift packaging if you want to gift it to someone, with a letter of gratitude, of course. So this fragrance was made by Jordi Fernández, who is a master perfumer. Not only he's a master perfumer, the good thing about him is he takes inspiration when designing a perfume. He takes inspiration and he creates a scent or a fragrance with something new in it. For example, you cannot say that Laverne perfumes are clone or copy of some famous perfume. Yeah, they have same vibes. How do they achieve it? Practically, I think their strategy is to blend two different perfumes in such a good way that you cannot say that it's a copy. It becomes a whole new fragrance. So this is a part of layering too. You're blending two scents, which is great actually. At least you're getting something new. Anyways, I'm going to open this one just to show you. I was so tempted to open this before, but I saved it for this video. Okay, so pretty standard packaging. It's a good box if you want to give it to someone. Anyways, let's just take it out. As usual, their scent is yeah, so it comes in 150 ml bottle. Bottle is nice. It's really a good looking bottle. The cap is nice. It's fixed in place. Oh my god. Okay, so what is it like? Listen, I cannot tell you that it's like some particular perfume. I have tried the tester on me this morning, and I was checking. I was waiting that how it would turn. It turned out really beautiful. The scent from the tester, same thing here, of course. The point here is it's a blue fragrance. Okay, for a broad term, I can say it's a blue, aromatic, fresh fragrance. It's not anything which is out there, but yes, as far as I am concerned, I got the vibes of David of Cool Water blended with blended with Versace Dylan Blue. Yes, that was coming to my mind. And third was a bit of Bleu de Chanel. So you see, it's a scent which is very pleasing. It's very energetic. When you are wearing it, you cannot tell that it's like that perfume or some particular perfume. It gives you a whole new vibe. This is the thing I love about this Laverne brand. They blend actually. They blend the crowd pleasing scents to create a new fragrance, which is actually if you ask me, this is creativity. Seriously, this is not cloning something. For example, if you talk about Versace House, it's a great fragrance, no doubt about it. But it's a direct clone of Invictus Aqua. And the other problem with that is it feels too synthetic. Laverne perfumes, uh, I've tried many. The good thing about them, there is no synthetic or harsh feeling in any of their perfumes. They are so smoothly blend that you just cannot explain it in words. You have to wear it to experience that thing. Anyways, so let's talk about this. Made by Jordi Fernández. Longevity is great. I have been wearing it today. This one. Uh, Projection is great for up to 3-4 hours. It's a solid projection. After that, it becomes a little bit closer to your body to make a kind of a scent bubble around you. Uh, Still, I can smell it on me. So it's been, I think, now 9 hours since I applied that tester on me. So yeah, the performance is great. The projection is really great. The sillage is good because just today one of my colleagues asked me that what are you wearing? Is it a cool water? I said no. He said no. He's not. It's not a cool water. He said it's not a cool water. It's what is it? It's Blue Additional. I said no. So he was confused. So the point here is that you get different feeling from it every time you sniff it. Who should wear it? Anyone can wear it. This is a masculine scent. Uh, all year round you can wear it. It's a great summer fragrance. You can wear it in evening, in winters. It's cold in colder months. You can wear it. It's versatile. It's not unisex. It's more masculine. Uh, what type of a person should wear it? Anyone, practically anyone can wear it, from a 20-year-old to 60-year-old. Anyone can wear it. But when I first sniffed it, the image came to my mind was of Zayn Malik, the singer. Uh, I thought a guy like that could have been wearing this. That was a feeling. The problem with me, every time I check a perfume, some image comes to my mind that what kind of a person, the famous person, should be wearing this. Anyways, just for the reference, not in literal terms. So, okay, so this was the tester. It's good. It's 10 ml. You get two, three sprays. That's good enough. This perfume, how does it feel like when you first spray it? Imagine morning, when sun up. It's a bright sunny day. Start of spring, you can say, or that feeling, when you are new into some relation and you get that feeling that someone loves you, that kind of feeling. Obviously, in start of every relation you feel like that. I'm not saying that one should have many relations. I'm just giving you the reference that adrenaline rush which you get, that happiness. Same thing when you eat a good chocolate, that a feeling of pleasure you get. This is what that perfume gives you every single time. And I'm sure this would be a great hit. It's not famous still, but I'm sure it will be this year. If you want a fresh, blue, good performing, long lasting scent, you should get this one. Yes, Versace Havas was a good. I'm not saying that this is anything like Versace Havas. They are two opposite scents. My point here is that was a fresh fragrance, which was very good. I've been wearing that a lot. But this year, I think everyone should get this one because it's new. It's the latest release by Laverne. It's a great scent. It's a great blend, I would rather say. And of course, this is the second perfume I'm reviewing from Laverne. First was Gentle. You can see in the separate video which I had earlier posted. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much about it. And let me know if you have been experiencing this, or if have you ever seen it on someone. Let me know, of course. I don't think so because I think it's very new. It's latest release. It's hardly available anywhere, and it's only coming in 150 ml for now. I'm sure they would release it in different volumes too. So, Champion Turquoise by Laverne, a great nice new release by this really great house, Laverne. Thank you, and remember that when you have to wear a scent, wear it with intention. Do not wear it just because somebody said it or you have seen some review. You have to be in that feeling to wear that certain kind of a scent. So if you want to feel energetic, you want to feel, you want to feel full of happiness, energy, good vibes, positive thinking, Champion Turquoise by Laverne. Thank you. That's all for today.